Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video lecture, we will cover a new chapter of chemistry, that is chemical bonding and molecular structure. So let's begin with today's video. So first definition of the chapter is the octet rule. What does it describe? During a chemical reaction, the atom tends to adjust their electronic arrangement in such a way that they achieve 8 electrons in their outermost electrons. This is called octet rule. Then what is chemical bond? The chemical force which keeps the atom in any molecule together is called a chemical bond. And then what is ionic bond? The Coulombic force of attraction which holds the oppositely charged ions together is called an ionic bond. An ionic bond is formed by the complete transfer of one or more electrons from the atoms of a metal to an atom of a non-metal. What is lattice enthalpy? The molar enthalpy change accompanying the complete separation of the constituent particles that compose of the solids under standard condition is called lattice enthalpy. What is electrovalency? The number of electrons lost or gained by an atom of an element is known as electrovalency. The elements which give up electrons to form positive ions are said to have positive valency, while the elements which accepts electron to form negative ion are said to have negative valency. Then, how is the formation of ionic bond occurs? The first factor is the low ionization enthalpy. Second is the high electron gain enthalpy. Third is the large lattice enthalpy. Then covalency, as we studied in class 10th, also the number of electrons which an atom contributes towards mutual sharing during the formation of a chemical bond is called its covalency. Then single covalent bond, in which mutual sharing of only one pair of electron takes place, and double covalent, in which mutual sharing of two pair of electron, triple covalent, mutual sharing of three pair of electron. Factors affecting formation of a covalent bond are high ionization enthalpy, nearly equal electron gain enthalpy and equal electronegativities, then high nuclear charge and small atomic size. Then what is polar covalent bond? The bond between two unlike atoms which differ in their affinities for electrons is said to be polar covalent bond. Then coordinate bond. The bond formed when one side sharing of electron takes place is known as a coordinate bond. Now some factors related to bonds are bond length, bond angle, bond enthalpy and bond order. Bond length is defined as the equilibrium distance between the nuclei of two bonded atoms. Bond angle is defined as the angle between the orbitals containing bonding electron pairs along the central atom in the molecule. Bond enthalpy is defined as the amount of energy required to break 1 mole of bond of a particular type between two atoms in a gaseous state. Bond order. In the Lewis description of covalent bond, the bond order is given by number of bonds between the two atoms in a molecule. Resonance. Whenever a single Lewis structure cannot describe a molecule accurately, a number of structures with similar energy positions of nuclei bonding in non-bonding pairs of electrons are taken as the canonical structures of the hybrid, which describes the molecule accurately. Then dipole moment. The product of the magnitude of the charge and the distance between the center of positive and negative charge is a dipole moment. It is a vector quantity and represented by an arrow with its tail at the position center and head pointing towards the negative center. It is denoted by mu, which is equal to q into r. That is, q is the charge and r is the distance of separation. Sigma bond, in which in which hybridization is SS, SP and PP overlapping takes place. In pi bond, only p or d orbital of two p orbitals of overlapping takes place. In hydrogen bond are the bond between hydrogen atom of one molecule and a more electronegative element of the same or another molecule. Hybridization. The process of mixing of the atomic orbital to form new hybrid orbital is called hybridization. All hybrid orbitals of a particular kind have equal energy, identical shapes, and are symmetrical oriented in shapes. The hybrid orbitals are designed according to the type and the atomic orbital merging together. So this was for today's video. Hope you liked it and understood it. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment my videos. Thank you.